Hi friend, we are back today to give you a little bit more information about using Epic. So you have already created your account and logged in, so this will be the home page that you see. If you scroll down, you can see some great resources Epic offers. They have a monthly activity calendar you can download, send to parents, print out, send home with students. Your students are also able to read using their student accounts from 7 a.m. to 4 p.m. Monday through Friday. And you can also invite your parents to create a free parent account, which will allow students to read from home after 4 p.m. on Monday through Friday and on the weekends for up to 2 hours every week. So another really great feature that Epic offers. And as you keep scrolling, there's just a lot of great little tips that Epic offers, some ways to get started. They showcase some books for whichever grade level that you put in when you made your account. So some great things to check out on the homepage. If you have inserted some students into your class, you can click on My Students and you can see your class roster. If you go to daily reading, it will tell you how many minutes your students are reading. Epic will even create a student log, so you could click on a student name and see how many books they've finished, how many hours they've read. You can take a look at the assignments that you have assigned to students. And if your students took a quiz, some of the books on Epic have quizzes, those results would show up under quizzes. So that is what is under the My Students tab. The My Library tab is where you can keep track of all of your favorite books and collections that you have favorited in Epic. So you can search for any author, keyword, title in Epic, and it will pull up all the different results for you. Most of the books show an age range, a reading level if you selected one when you made your account, and how many pages the book have. So you can see that under each book there is a heart where you can favorite the book. So I have favorited this book, My Dog Thinks I'm a Genius. I could also create a new collection of dog books. And I could assign that collection of dog books to my students. So this can be really helpful if you are studying apples or pumpkins in the classroom. You can create a collection of those apple or pumpkin books and then assign them to your students so that they would automatically be shared with them on your student Epic accounts. And then again, you can, under each book, click on that assign, and you can assign books to individual students or to your entire class. Now, another great thing about Epic is if another educator has shared a collection of books with you. For instance, on this blog post, we've got some different collections of books on Epic. You would click on the link to open the collection from the blog post. And if you're logged into your Epic account, you can favorite that collection. So I've favorited this one. And if I go to my library, to my favorites, that collection is going to show up in my favorite collections. If you keep scrolling down, you've got books that you have favorited, videos. There's a lot of great learning videos on Epic as well. So that's one way to create collections, share them with other teachers in your building or on your team, and be able to curate some content on your Epic. So if I go back to that collection, you can also edit any collections. You can share those collections. So if you click on that button, you can get a shareable link, share with another teacher on Epic, share via email. Or again, you can assign a collection to your class or to any individual students. And another great feature that Epic has is you can use Google Classroom to go ahead and import your student roster and make your life a little easier that way if you're already using Google Classroom. Another feature Epic offers is a great filtering system. So if I again were to search for dog books and pull up all those books that Epic has about dogs, I can filter that by an age range. I can filter it by a reading level, which would be especially helpful if you're looking for a book for a particular student. You can filter by fiction or nonfiction, by the format, the language, whether or not the book has a quiz at the end. So a great way to help with your search features. So those are just a few of the great ways you can get started using Epic in your classroom. We think this is an awesome resource that every educator should be taking advantage of. So we hope that this tutorial was helpful with you getting started on your Epic journey.